Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect PostgreSQL running in Docker using DBeaver and terminal, command line terminal. Currently I am working on our project Family Hub. Here I am using Postgres, which is using 5433 port number 5433 of the host, and in Postgres usually uses 5432. This port is usually by default it is used, and native Postgres uses same, and even in Docker it uses same port. So if we use 5432, we can't like run native Postgres and Docker on Docker. Native Postgres also use 5432, and Docker also uses Docker Postgres also uses 5432. So I mapped port this way. In Docker it runs on 5432, on host it runs 5433. So this way it is mapped, and I'm going to in this particular video I am going to show how this Docker Postgres can be accessed through cmd, command prompt, and DBeaver. And command prompt, from command prompt we can access this by psql, and Postgres, PostgreSQL, and host is local host, port is 5433 as we map 5433, and user is Postgres, and database is Family Hub. Now I'm working on Family Hub. So I type I'm typing Family Hub, and it asks for password. You enter your password, and now it is connected. And here you can see data tables. Here is the tables inside Postgres, which is running Docker. This way you can connect Postgres running on Docker using command line. Let's select some data from this table, user table. Select asterisk from user. Normally we do this, but here is showing nothing because this user table was created using Prisma's schema. So Prisma schema names user table. It keeps inside double quote, so we need to put double quote in our table, user table. So select asterisk from user. Here is the data inside your table. This is one way you can connect to Postgres inside Docker. Another way is connecting it through DBeaver. DBeaver is universal database manager. It is like MySQL workbench for MySQL and pgadmin for Postgres. And here I'll show you how all those can be connected. I think let me do this. I'm opening task manager. Let me pin in taskbar. I think MySQL is stopped now. I had stopped last time. MySQL is running now. It is running. Okay. And so you can connect MySQL, PostgreSQL running on host. Right click on here and click on create connection. First we're connecting MySQL. Next here your host is localhost. MySQL by default uses 3306 database. Let's not select any. Let's not enter any databases. We connect using root, username root, and password. Enter your password here. Now connect is connected. Public key travel is not allowed. What does that mean? Is it due to my wrong password? I don't know. I don't know, it is not connected. Why it is saying so? Localhost 3306. Let me run MySQL opens. Localhost 3306. Password is, yeah, it works. Then why it's not opening here? Edit. Let me delete this and start. Let me do it from start. Connect MySQL. Next, localhost 336. Database name. Let's not enter any database name. Just enter our password. This connection connected. Okay, and now it is connected. Now inside database you can see all those database which is which was there in MySQL Workbench. MySQL Workbench. All those databases are same. DBeaver. Is integrals to DBeaver. Is integrals to DBeaver. This is how MySQL is accessed through DBeaver instead of MySQL Workbench. We also can use DBeaver. And another is, what is that? PostgreSQL. For PostgreSQL we use pgadmin. We can, this is popular Jira tool for Postgres. Let's check now. What is Postgres pgadmin? It's taking long. Let me pause the video. I'll resume once it starts. Okay, pgadmin, it has opened. PostgreSQL, it is asking password. Please enter the password for Postgres. Password isn't the password. I forgot. Maybe I forgot the password. Connection failed. Connection to server. Warning failed. Fatal password authentication failed. What's the password? Okay, I forgot the password, and now I use the correct password and it opened. Here are 4 databases: family of Dave, family of Dave, MyDB, and Postgres. This is how Postgres is accessed through pgadmin. This is pgadmin, and this is one way of accessing pgadmin. And another is command line terminal, which is which can be also used for MySQL and pgadmin and all. Let me close this, and this Postgres, native Postgres, can also be accessed through this DBeaver. So if you have DBeaver, then you don't need probably, certainly, I don't know how many features it provides, but alternatively, this DBeaver can be an good alternative instead of you installing those two different tools, sound tools. And to connect Postgres, native Postgres from DBeaver, again right click on here and create and connection. and select Postgres. Sorry. Next, and here 5432, it is native, so 5432, and localhost, host is localhost, port is 5432, database is Postgres. So all database you may check here and enter your password, and yeah, it's connected. And database, those databases that you saw in through psql is uh, it is these are the same databases, and this is how you connect native Postgres. And now we are connecting uh, Postgres that is running on Docker through DBeaver. For that also, click on here, right, and create connection, and of course it is Postgres, so using selecting Postgres. Next, and here host is localhost, is we had typed on command prompt, and port is 5433. Here database Postgres, so all database, and you may enter last time we had, as I said earlier, I'm opening on family hub, so database, here on database I am typing database name family hub, and username Postgres, and password, enter your password. You can test connection and connect, or just simply connect. Yeah, now it is family hub is over here, and you can click here and family hub and schema, public and tables, here are tables. And last time through command prompt we had opened user table. Let's open this user table. Here are many records, altogether we have 30 records, and this is how you can connect or access PCA Postgres running on Docker through DBeaver and terminal. Actually this I made this video for my reference, because I forgot later I forgot. So if this video makes sense, if it is helpful to you, you may consider subscribing channel and giving a like. Thank you for watching.